Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be playing Animal Rivals. It is a very fun game, and I've just been playing it for a while. That's why I have these cosmetics on skin. So, without further ado, we'll start playing. Let me one point here. Yeah, can you get in? You're good at the game, so should be. Let's do Tiny Arena. Yeah.
Yeah,
How long have you been playing the game for?
like a year.
A year? Dang. Only been playing for a couple of days, so see this.
Match starting. Round starting.
What? Oh. Yeah, that grenade caught me off guard. I can never hit my grenade, so.
Round starting.
It hit me again. Okay, so I'm getting crappied on. I'm getting crappied on. Okay.
Round starting.
Holy crap, I can't even change my gun. Alright. I'm low-key getting BTA right now.
Round starting.
Oh, dang.
Round starting.
Bruh, okay.
It's alright,
GG,
bro.
man.
You're reversing your rampage or major. Like, you started from
Yeah, you're right, you're right. Yo, who wants to do 2v2 with me?
You like that battle? Yeah, me.
Alright.
I beat it. No, bro, I was in. I was first.
Let's go. Alright. How you doing?
Penguin.
Match starting.
Follow me.
Yeah, I go this route anyways.
He missed. Bro, he tried to snipe me, but he missed.
What? How did you not die? What? Dog, I shot him.
I didn't lose to 2-4.
Alright.
Round starting.
I got hit by the ball.
Yeah, I can't hit today. Yo, what? Okay, I'm getting dookie on again.
He used a shotgun.
that sniper. I'm good.
Ah, bro.
Round start.
It was genuine though. What? Chill. There. No, one more. Shh.
Round start.
Oh, shoot. Yes. Oh, holy clutch. Holy clutch. Alright, rematches, bro. I'm sorry. Hey, DD though. I'm scared. You're right.
Anyone want to 1v1?
Alright.
Are you good?
Dang. Okay. Pumpkin! 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 Okay. Oh, yeah. Somebody else coming in. Yo, say excuse me next time. Alright. Stu Tiny Arena. Spooky Scary Skeleton. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I mean it's alright.
Match starting.
I see you.
Round starting.
I'll play Siege, boy. Alright.
Round starting.
Oh shoot. Hello. Dang, that gun is crazy. We are holding our own. Dang. man. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, the next video is gonna be. Oh, shh, I didn't say that. You know what? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.